House in the Crypt, episode 9, titled Cutting Cards. This one stars Lance Hendrickson and Kevin T as two gamblers named Reno and Sam. It is implied they have a lot of history together. Most of it is bad. These two guys do not like each other, and they want one another. They both want the other to get the hell out of town as quickly as possible. So they decide to do this via various games of chance. They roll dice against one another. They play a game of Russian roulette, which Sam rigs. He puts a blank in the gun. They ultimately decide to settle it in a game of chop poker, as one does. In this game, instead of losing chips when you lose a hand, you might actually lose a hand. They start off cutting off fingers, and then they progress. The end of the episode ends with these two guys in a hospital, no arms, no legs, playing checkers together. I love this episode as a kid, and I still love this episode as an adult, although I do have some notes. I like both of these actors. Hendrickson and T are both veteran character actors. Hendrickson, I guess, is most known for playing Bishop in Aliens, and T is, I suppose, most known for playing the bar owner in Roadhouse. I remember seeing this for the first time as a kid and thinking, like, whoa, these guys are really cool. These guys like to gamble. They're really good at this. But then, after spending the last 30 years watching movies like Rounders and Molly's Game, and also watching professional poker on ESPN a lot, I'm like, these guys are morons. These are really dumb individuals, evidenced by how they wind up at the end of the episode. But I Googled some things. When they roll dice against each other, both of them get 2 12s in a row. I was like, what are the chances of that happening? So I Googled it. And these are actually much better odds than I thought, but the odds turn out to be about 1 in 1,300, which is pretty crazy. Very short episode. This episode, even with the Crypt Keeper segments, is about 20 minutes long, which is fine. It didn't really need to go on any longer than this. It doesn't get you see them chop their fingers off, but it's not super violent. It's more just very funny. The image at the end is hilarious. I love this episode. I was really glad to revisit it. I'm giving this one a 7.8 out of 10, and I'm really enjoying season 2, and I look forward to keep going with it.